Hi, good afternoon. This afternoon, we want to analyze the gold weekly chart, how gold performed the previous week, and how we expect it to perform next week. So, as you see in the chart, I have drawn the weekly high, the weekly low, and where the price closed. And the other line I'll tell you as we go ahead in this analysis. So this weekly shows that gold has been bearish. It closed bearish. That is, it closed lower than the previous week, which temporarily showed that it is on a down movement. However, we cannot confirm with surety that it will continue going this way. As you see, it opened around 24.97, went high to 25-ish here, like that, and then it again came down lower up to 24.72.61, and then went high to 24.97, where it closed for the week. So to analyze with surety, we have to go down and check the daily time frame. As I told you earlier that I will tell you about the other line in the middle. This was where the daily price closed. And the lower one, the third one from the top, the third line from the top is where the daily registered its lowest price at 24.85.29. These lines will help us to at least predict with high probability where the price wants to go. Either it wants to go higher or lower, or it will continue ranging in these areas. So for a clear view, you can see that gold has been going upwards the whole week. Then suddenly it created, not suddenly, just step by step, it created a high at 25.28. Then it came lower and registered a lowest point of 24.72. So it is kind of ranging. It's in a range. So in such a situation where the price is in a range, we have to at least analyze it further in the lower time frames. So let's go down to the 4 hours chart. Now this is now what we can work with. The price closed at 24.97. It created a low at 24.85, which means that either the price can move from 24.97 and create another intermediate high, let's be practical. Which area can this area, which is likely to, is around this area. This area, there was previously there was resistance which was broken. It was broken at this point, until it went further to make a high here. Then it dumped lower until this. We are working with ranges, so we can say that all this is a range, this area. So the price is in this range. This area is of high importance, so we have to take a clean look how the price will behave in this area. So the possibility is the price can go and up to this area to retest this high. And here, then it can come down to this area, or as well take out this resistance here up to this point. That is one scenario which is possible. Another scenario which is possible is that the price can move higher. It can go, if the volume is there and volatility is there, the price can just move up to this area. And then it can either continue to move or it may not. It may just from here again, after retesting this area, it may come and again close within this range. So this range will be again a key area where we'll be looking at. Will the price close within this range, or it will go past this range? Another likely scenario is the price can come here, close above this range, retest this area and move higher. That is possible. All this will have to be patient enough and try to read where the price wants to move. So what we'll do, we'll have to break it down further to 30 minutes and try and see what will happen. Our 30 minutes chart shows that the price has been bullish. Not bullish, sorry. It has been coming down. The price has been moving down and got a resistance here and went high. It is in an important zone since this line is marked in blue. So if the 30 minutes candle will close above this level, if the 30 minutes candle will close above this level, then we may say that the price is trying to move maybe up to this area. This is another area which we will check because it was a previous resistance. Another simple way of looking at this is you check the immediate recent resistance and support. Now, our immediate recent resistance was this one. and our immediate last support was here. So we will say that we will wait for the price to take out this low, so as to come and take out this low and move down, or we can wait for the price to take out this high, take out this one, and also try to retest this. So since we would like to trade as day traders, we can move down to 15 minutes and see how it is also. Our 15-minute candle is in a trend here. You can say it's bullish. It's in a bullish trend. It's forming higher high and higher lows. So it's going up, but it has reached an important area, this area. So it will have to show us good confirmations. For me, I don't use any indicators. I just use pure price action. So I will be keen and patient enough to wait until I see that the price is ready to move down or up. So I can either enter in 15 minutes, but most of the time I would prefer to enter in 5 minutes charts. A 5-minute chart, many people say that it's noisy, but if you know the direction, if I know that the 4-hour and 30 minutes chart is in a bullish trend, so I will only look for buys in a 5 minutes candle. And if the 4-hour and 30 minutes candles are bearish, I will only look for sells. So viewers, with this little analysis, I think I've prepared you for the next week, which is coming, and we will have to be careful to always observe risk management and always do our lot sizes to be well calculated, so as we don't put our capital at risk. Thank you, viewers. Let's meet next week for another in-depth weekly analysis. Bye.